Once every while, take walks to catch a breather. End up at the same spot every single time, viewing the lake from this high cliff edge. Mistakenly fall, gravity is a bitch. An innocent act posing serious risks, notorious for collateral damage. Pretty talented if you can find the straw of hay in a needle stack. This being cocky or ambiguous, should call it lucky. Could sound like arrogance, stop disputing what's tolerable. Having deja vu. Keeping our temper on a leash, sleeping on helicopter blades, raising morale with one good speech, fixated against bitter charades, banished conceited commentary, forward messages, so stimulations, picking up speed, the blades spin faster, its rotation will wake you from dreaming. Runs cleverly wild into revolution to reenact expired events, so we can polish what could be the perfect formula. Ditch contamination